All right, good morning, everybody. It is Monday, April 8th, 2024. It is the day of the solar eclipse. Oh my gosh, I am so tired of hearing about this solar eclipse. We have them how many times a year all over the world? It's been non-stop. Solar eclipse, end of the world, mass casualty event, all this crazy stuff. And here we are. So I guess we're at the last day of the world here. It's the end of the world. So thanks for spending your last couple hours with me. Let's go ahead and jump back to Friday here and take a look at the price action. Now, on Friday, we had one of those beautiful stair step type scenarios where, market opened, and you can take a look here. I mean, quite literally, we hit the first roadmap level in the overnight session. Then we hit our second level in the overnight session. And then here we are right after the open. They pulled back right to the next one. And as you can see, quite literally just stepped right up these levels and then came up to the next roadmap level, which was our scaffolding level there, and stepped off that to come up and then step off the next level around 33. There's 33 once again, my friends. And went ahead and continued to push. So, in my opinion, pretty simple day once you could figure out what was going on. You could see we were stepping up all the levels. We were up through the VWAP. We had our crossover oriented to the upside. And even if you waited, there's your final test of the VWAP, a couple ticks in front, and you could have got that pullback. So, some great opportunities if you ask me. And then let's just take a look at what happened towards the end of the day. I believe it started to go sideways at some point, but throughout the whole open here, some great opportunities to buy the market. Again, just another textbook example of stepping up our levels quite nearly to the tick, all the way up to the high of the day. And then the high of the day, once again, the low of the day was basically our first roadmap level. And then the high of the day was the area I told you guys was going to be very important to see the bulls get through, right? So we had this area right around 52.6375. It was on the charts in our pre-market, and I warned you that if the bulls do end up ripping higher, this was going to be an important level to see them get above, right? So what happened? They got up here, they kind of petered around, tried to break out above it, and then there's the beautiful kiss right to the back end of it, and then the pullback, right? And it even stair-stepped down the levels from there to here, and very micro hit there and there, right? Quite literally just right down one by one each level. And then at the end of the day on Friday, just kind of sideways, right? Didn't really go anywhere after that. We got a major high in the market, a nice little healthy pullback, and then it chopped around at the end of the week. So that's how Friday went. Pretty sweet sauce if you ask me. And let's go ahead over to the pre-market for this morning. Globex session, as you can see, a little bit of a pullback. They obviously could not get up through that 61.8 retrace level we were looking at there at 63.75. Kind of popped through it last night. And then here you go. Here is that beautiful ride off the back end of the VWAP to begin the Globex session on Sunday, right? So even got one of those beautiful big divergences, a little peak above and fail divergence right off VWAP there last night. Could have made a little bit of money to the downside there. And then here we are coming to the open, still just kind of chopping around and just about to potentially break out here coming into the open. And as you can see, they got back through VWAP here, and now they're trying to step and push it back up. So that's where we are coming into the open this morning. You even had a beautiful opportunity here just about an hour ago or so to buy the Hopal. There's the Holy Orange power level once again, holding to the tick for a nice 10, almost 20 point push so far. Quite literally a 10 point, almost 10 point push. So let's go ahead and jump up to the higher time frames and see what they have to say for this morning.